Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Creative Design. From today we are going to start Adobe Illustrator tutorials. If you are new to Illustrator, don't worry, this is going to be simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. When you open this software, you will see this interface first. Let me introduce you with this interface. By clicking on this blue button, new file, you can create new files. Here we have several options, same as we have in Photoshop. You can customize height, width, orientation, color mode, and all the other things. Here on the top menu, you can see Illustrator provides us many presets for mobile, web, print, and all other stuff related to graphic design. You can select any one from here and then press create button. Your final interface and dashboard is here. First, let me introduce this top menu bar. This is like the control center of Illustrator. Here you will find commands for creating, saving, and editing your projects. For example, if you want to save your work, you will go to File menu and click Save. Next, on the left side, we have the toolbar. This is where all the tools stand. Each tool here has a specific purpose. For example, the selection tool lets you move objects, while the pen tool is used to draw shapes or paths. Don't worry if this seems overwhelming. We will cover these tools in coming tutorials. In the middle, we have the Artboard. This is your workspace where you create your designs. Think of it as a piece of paper. You can add more artboards or resize them as needed, depending on your project. On the right, here is the properties panel. This panel changes depending on what you have selected. For example, if you click on a shape, this panel will let you change its color, size, and other properties. Below the menu bar, we have the control panel. This gives you access to options for the tool you are using. For instance, if you are using the text tool, you will see font and size options here. On the far right, you will notice more panels like layers, swatches, and colors. These are super helpful for organizing and customizing your design. You can open or close these panels by going to the window menu in the menu bar. And that's it for now. These are the main parts of the Adobe Illustrator interface. Knowing where everything is will make your design process so much easier. Thank you for joining me in this quick introduction to Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. In the next video, we will learn some basic tools to start creating designs. See you there.